Hi, hello. This is Nagarajan. Very good evening, one and all. So I'm going to analyze the Nifty in live. So time is around 9:01. So Nifty made a top of 16,752, and today Nifty gave a gap down opening. The gap down opening was around 16,662 and made a low of 16,564, and it has closed at 16,631. So let's begin the analysis. So what should be the first thing we have to look for analyzing Nifty index or stock, anything? So our aim is to find the trades for the next day. So we have to look for the structure first, then we have to look for the trades. So let's streamline one by one. So first we need to look for the structure. The structure is low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So Nifty has made a clear structure and it is an uptrend and it is in a higher high. So what will be the next path? Next move will be definitely it will be making a higher low. Why? Because Nifty made a spinning top, that is the price action, and today it has given a confirmation, another spinning top which has been like it has closed below yesterday's low. So definitely the confirmation has come for moving in the downside. And what is the next structure? So we need to look for any patterns. Yeah, so the pattern here is definitely it is in a ascending trend line. So I'm connecting all the lows and highs. So this is how we have to connect. Yeah, first low, second low I have connected, and market is exactly respected the top. And what will happen is definitely market will has to come down to make a higher low. So where it can come towards is the big question. So we need to look for the previous higher low, that will be the region where it can give a testing. So our higher low is going to be around 16,273. So this will be the level where we can expect Nifty to make a higher low this time. So let's mark this level. You can make it make a small line, or this will be the region where Nifty can make a higher low. So what is the conviction behind marking this level is definitely this will be a 0.5 of Fibonacci or 0.618. I believe this should be a 0.5 of Fibonacci. So here we go with the Fibonacci, and exactly the 0.5 is around 16,307. So market will definitely make a higher low between these levels. So the higher low will be definitely around this level, which will be around, it can slowly come down, it can take 1 or 2 days or even 3-4 days it can take, but definitely this will be the level where Nifty can give a back test, retest. So once this is reached, then we can expect a bounce, or if the selling pressure is more, then the ascending channel can get broken and it can fall down towards 16,200 and 16,050 levels. These are going to be the upcoming levels, but for now the expectation is still 16,300, which can be the higher low. This is how we have to make the analysis. So next, what will be the our objective is definitely to find a trade. Yeah, so we need to look for the resistance and supports so that we can go for the next day trades. So currently we are at 16,631. So definitely these levels will act as a resistance. Yeah, so if Nifty moves above, definitely 16,752 was this swings high. So definitely this will be acting as a resistance. To make the exact level of resistance, to mark the exact level of resistance, we'll move on to the line chart. So exactly if you mark, we'll move on to the so this level will definitely act as a resistance, and beyond that we have one more level which is around 16,800 levels. So these are the levels where Nifty can, if there is a gap up or if there is a rally, Nifty will definitely respect these levels That is what I'm looking for, and we'll mark these levels. These levels will be the definitely these levels will act as a strong resistance where Nifty can reverse. Then one more level we have, which is around this. Yeah, so now itself we are in the resistance. So this level is going to be the support, and if it is getting broken, already it is broken, right? So this level is around 16,663. So we have already closed above that level. So if Nifty moves above, definitely this 16,663 will be acting as a resistance. Then comes this swings high, which is 16,750. That will be the resistance. Beyond that, we have 16,848. Let's exactly mark the low, which is going to be exactly around 16,800. With this point is coming around 16,800, and 16,000. This comes around 16,849. Then we will move on to the candlestick chart and adjust accordingly. So if you look at the chart, it is very clear. Multiple resistance, multiple supports are there. This line, this point, which is 16,820 levels, has acted as support multiple times. So definitely, if market moves above, this level will act as a resistance. So for tomorrow, if the market is moving above, we'll move on to the smaller time frame, so that we'll mark the resistance for taking a trade. We'll remove this Fibonacci, so that the chart will be little bit clear. So tomorrow, this level, which is going to be current structure, the lower time frame structure is very clear. Market was in uptrend. Right now it has made a downswing. So high, low, lower high, and if this is taken out, then definitely this will be the next level, which is going to be 16,486. We'll mark this in green line, so that it will be acting as a, this is going to act as a support. So I'm marking this as in green color, support 1, and if this is broken, then definitely this gap can be filled, and the next stop is going to be around 16,360. Yeah, this level will be acting as a second target. 16,360 towards 16,355. Then comes our important level, which is going to be the retesting level, which is around 16,280 to 300. So this becomes the third support. If we have to wait until the swing is getting broken, which is going to be the swing low, which is going to be 16,564. If that is taken out, then definitely we can expect some good sort of fall in Nifty, and immediate resistance is going to be around 16,684. That is going to be a stop loss for tomorrow. So 16,684 is going to be the stop loss. Yeah, so this is going to be our stop loss. 16,685 can be our stop loss. And if you are looking for a shorting opportunity, then definitely, if there is a gap down opening, immediately here it can come over around 16,480 and it can bounce. If it is bouncing, then definitely, if we are getting any chance between these levels, then 16,685 is going to be our stop loss, and targets are going to be again 16,480, and there will be a free fall between these levels to fill this gap, and 16,355 will be the second support, which will be the second target, and third target is going to be around 16,280. So this is how we will be making. We have to analyze this, analyze the index or stock, and we have to take trades. So always go for analysis before the day you take the trades, and then execute the trade in the next day. So this is very clear. The structure is very clear. We have started making a downswing. So this downswing, we can look for shorting at the resistance. So if anybody has taken put options, then definitely these are going to be your stop losses. Profits. Profit booking area, which is going to be 16,483. If that is crossed, then you can book the profits at around 16,350 and 60,280. These are going to be the target zones for the next 2 days. at least for tomorrow and day after tomorrow, these are going to be the targets. Yeah, this is how we can go for analyzing Nifty. One more conviction we can look for option chain. So option chain NSE will go and see like where are the bulls and bears fighting at in Nifty. So we got closed at 16,631 and we have enough resistance at 16,700. We have 1,24,000 contracts at 16,700 call option, and in the downside we have good support at 16,500 and a decent support at 16,600. So if this is getting broken, then we can expect 16,500 tomorrow itself. Okay, that is all about Nifty. We'll move on to Bank Nifty. Hello Shiva sir. Hello Satish sir. Yeah. So we'll be analyzing Bank Nifty. Yeah. So this was analyzed last week, and as I told, like once the descending trend line is getting broken, we'll be seeing a huge rally that has been already completed. We are exactly at the resistance, which is around 37,000. Yeah. Now we'll see what is going to be the structure first. Then we'll see like what is the pattern. Then what are all the resistance and supports for taking tomorrow's trade. Yeah, the structure is very simple. The market is in higher high for this current swing. So low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So definitely market has to come down to make a higher low, and the confirmation for that is going to be today's doji. Already we got a spinning top, but the next day, another couple of days we got rally, but we are in exact resistance where we can expect some sort of fall. We'll see like whether we'll get a fall this time or not. I believe this is going to be a descending trend line. We'll draw and see that, because I'm just looking at this. Yeah, so this seems to be a strong resistance this time. So what we can expect is definitely there can be a small fall from here, and 37,000 is looking like a good resistance. We'll go to our line chart. Yeah, this is where we are at right now, and these lines are going to be these price action zones. 1, 2, 3 are going to be the price action zones. We'll mark all those price action zones. So definitely this has to act as a resistance, right? So we are exactly at this point, which is around 36,920. Why? The reason for making use of line chart is this is where the exact reversals happens. When we go with the wicks, those are going to be definitely the stop loss hunting areas. So we need the exact volume where it is getting rejected or it is getting reverse. That is why I use a line chart to find the exact reversal points, and that works like a wonder. So this is where exactly our resistance meets and the descending trend line meets. So definitely we can expect some sort of reversal at this point. And if you look at Nifty and Bank Nifty, definitely Nifty is looking weaker than Bank Nifty, or we can say Bank Nifty is looking stronger than Nifty. Yeah. So already it is looking like we have crossed the channel, but we are having a good sort of resistance at this place. If again tomorrow, if Bank Nifty is entering the channel, we can expect the reversal at least till this gap filling zone or this level, which is going to be 35,490. This is where Bank Nifty can head towards for the next moment. Yeah, this is going to be the next level, and if you go with the fib, definitely we'll get a better number. Yeah, so we need to close below 36,407 for the next move, and next move will be towards 36,038 and 35,740. These are the numbers where we can expect some sort of bounce, or if it is crossing 36,000, then we can expect a good amount of fall till 35,443, and that is where the previous high is there. So that we can expect the market to give a retest, and then we have to check whether the retest is successful or not. If it is successful, then it can bounce again, or if it is getting failed, we can expect the Bank Nifty towards the channel's bottom. If it is taking more number of days, we can expect Bank Nifty to come towards this area and touch the bottom of the channel. But if it is taking 1 or 2 days, then definitely it will be a steep fall till this area. So let's check whether we have any opportunity for tomorrow. We'll just move this Fibonacci alone. So if you look at the price action in 1 hour, again here we have a small channel, and right now we have a double top as well. Yeah, here too we have a channel, and this channel, if it is getting broken, then the channel has to be cloned. That is where we will be getting the targets. So immediate fall can lead towards this area, which is around 36,000. So we need to wait and see whether this channel is getting broken or not. If the channel is getting broken at 36,600, then we can expect some good sort of fall. We have one more sort of analysis, and this top 37,011 and 30, this is going to be 36,888. So this forms like a, this is on 25th and this is on 25th. So definitely in intraday we can expect somewhere around 0.35 to 0.5% of exception. If it is going beyond that, then we can not say like this is going to be a double top. Yeah, right now it is matching with our numbers, so definitely this is going to be a double top. If that is going to be a double top, then this is going to be the neckline support. If this is getting broken, then we can expect 1% fall in the bottom. So this will be the target for tomorrow. So we have a very good opportunity for tomorrow, which is going to be, if 36,600 is getting broken, the next target is going to be 36,470. If this is getting broken, we will be getting an opportunity for catching almost like 300 to 400 points of momentum tomorrow itself, or at the max of Wednesday we will be getting achieving this target once this neckline is getting broken. This view is invalid if we are closing above 36,888. If we are closing about this line, this point, the view is invalid. If we are closing below this, then definitely we will be coming towards this is 36,088. So before that we have one more support, 36,328, and then comes our next target, which is going to be this zone we can mark. Yeah, so this zone is around 36,088. So let's give the trade here itself. So if you are closing, if you are giving a gap up opening, our resistance is around 36,880. A good fall can be seen in the first 5 minutes or 10 minutes. If we are getting flat open or a gap down opening, this is going to be the neckline, which is 36,475. If there is a momentum in the downside, and there can be a retesting again towards 36,475 to 36,500. So from there, if the neckline, that is where the neckline is. So our first target is going to be T1 is going to be around 36,337 and T2 is going to be around 36,088 or 90, and our stop loss is around, this is where is our stop loss, which is going to be 36,737. So for we'll be taking a trade at around 36,500, and which is we'll be seeing like 250 points is going to be bigger stop loss, but definitely that is going to be our maximum stop loss, and we'll be getting around more than 400 to 450 points of target. And we'll have a glance on open interest in Bank Nifty as well. So Bank Nifty closed at 36,726. We have a good amount of resistance around 36,800 and 36,900. 36,900 has almost like close to 40,000 contracts, and against just 10,000 contracts in put option. And 37,000 seems to be a huge resistance with 90,000 contracts in the put call and 20,000 contracts in the put. So definitely above 36,000 it is going to be a huge resistance till 37,000, and this will be remaining as a resistance for this expiry. And 36,500 remains a good support, and below that we have one more good support at 36,400, because it is 1:4, like 9,000 to 37,000 is 1:4. Definitely this will be a good support for this region, which is 36,500 to 400 will be a good support at least till tomorrow. So if there is a drastic fall, then we have to wait for the momentum and see how there is a unwinding in put options, and we need to take care of the positions. So remain with the stop loss, and we'll be definitely achieving this target tomorrow at the max of day after tomorrow. So that's all on Nifty and Bank Nifty. So if anybody else is having any breaking is in which time frame, neckline break should happen only in 1 hour. So because we are looking at 1 hour time frame, we will see like whether the same kind of structure is seen in 15 minutes. Yes, we have a same kind of structure in 15 minutes as well. So we can wait at least till 15 minutes, bro. We can, if we are getting a closure below this neckline in 15 minutes, we can take a trade after that. So today I have given one call in Apollo tubes. So how we need to look like why the call has been given. So so we are looking at a good fall from almost like the top is like from at 1,100, and the next top is going to be around 1,008. This is high, low, lower high, and this seems to be a almost like double bottom. And if you look at this strong downtrend, in the bottom of the downtrend we are having a good inverse head and shoulders. So already the neckline has been broken, and to validate this whether it is going to be head and shoulders or not, this is matching with 0.5 of Fibonacci. Yeah, we always love to go with the Fibonacci numbers. Exactly, this low is going to be 0.5 of Fibonacci. So that is why I strongly believe in this is going to be a strong inverse head and shoulder breakout. And if you look at the breakout happened with a good volume, and the next day also there was a good volume. And yesterday, that is on Friday, it came very near to the retesting zone, which is around 903. Today I gave a call at 919, I believe. It made a top of 930 or 932, I believe, after the call, and it closed at 927. So if again, if there is any chance of taking entry, we can take entry at 890 towards 90, 900, and stop loss is going to be around, this is 879, 879.2 is going to be the stop loss in daily, and target is definitely minimum 10%. So from here, this is around 9.94%, so definitely we can clone that and keep it on the top, and it is coming around 980. So the target is exactly 980. And why we are facing some resistance, there also we have some technical justification. So if you see, exactly the neckline was broken. Yeah, neckline was broken, and it has given a retest, and today it seems like a good bullish harami. This candle is inside this candle, and tomorrow if any candle is getting closed above this candle, then definitely the bullishness will start, and the target will be immediately 980. There is no doubt in that. So people who have already taken the trade, so wait with this small stop loss and almost like somewhere around 70 points of profit, because the call was given at 929. So we can wait till that and take the profit. So any questions or any doubts? Volume seems to be low, but not sure if it is only for me. Which volume, bro? K. So this volume is more than enough, bro. So this volume will not come daily. This kind of volume will come, if you see, look at the past history, once in a month this kind of volume comes, then slowly average kind of volume only will be coming. We need to look for the breakout. It has to be coming with a good volume and less rejection. When you look at this, there was a rejection for somewhere around 12 points, but 2.45% has been a good amount of closure, positive closure, and these numbers are matching, so that is why I have given the call. So in the recent batch, one of my student has given this chart. So this chart was plotted some 5 minutes back before the session started. So Balakrishnan Industry also is like looking like it has given a breakout. I have joined all the resistance points, and we have got a good amount of small swing. So the target is going to be around, first target is around 2421, second target is the next stop, which is around 2547, and the third target is going to be 2716. So this can be watched, and the stop loss is going to be around 2238, which is going to be the higher low. So the current swing, if it is crossing this high, which is around 2342, and today itself we have closed above that, so definitely this is going to be a breakout, and we can expect some sort of a rally towards 2400 plus. So I'll post the chart in the Telegram channel as well for your reference. Okay, it is already 9:30, so most of the candle shows rejection. Is it good for the stock? Which one, sir? Balakrishnan Industry. Sir, if you look at this candle, I'll show it in somewhere around I'll zoom it. Yeah, if you look at this candle, if you look at this, I'll show one more conviction point. Yeah, this is exactly around 0.5, and at 0.5 we got spinning top plus confirmation, and next day we got a good bullish rally, and that too without no rejection. If you look at this, look, we have got a good amount of volume, decent volume, and there is very less amount of rejection. So definitely it should be continuing its rally. Maybe it may test our patience, but definitely these are going to be the targets. Okay, Apollo. Okay. So the stop loss is very very small, right? So the call was given at around 919. So almost like just 40 points of stop loss and 80 points of target. So almost like 60 points of target. This is going to be the first target. Okay, the next target is around 1008, which is going to be 90 plus points and 90 plus points, and beyond that we have a very big target, and stop loss remains the same, which is going to be 879 daily. The earning report is also very nearby, so we can expect volume anytime. We can go with small quantity, sir. Okay, if there is any questions, I'll try to answer that. If there is no questions, we'll wind up the session. We'll connect tomorrow. Okay, thanks all for joining. Take care. Good night.